Hi guys, I'm Manu. I work as a software engineer at Dodge AI, and it is Thursday night morning. I'm listening to Drake's Iceman, and while I was listening to this album, I vibe coded something cool which I wanted to talk about. So I built CCWarriors.xyz. Idea is me and my friends are always comparing who burn more token usage. So I thought why not build a global leaderboard for this so that where we rank people give you a ranking card based on your the worth of tokens or Claude Code credits that you have burnt. So how you need to sign up for this is just come to CCWarriors.xyz and copy this curl command. Hit this curl command in your terminal and you will be asked to connect your GitHub. I'm already logged in, so I should be good. And that's it. If you come back to it, will redirect you to ccwarriors.xyz and you should see this global leaderboard. Right now I can see a few of my friends. Cryogenic, this is me on top of the leaderboard. Cryogenic, this is my CTO, and we are always having this healthy competition of who will earn more credits. And now that I think about it, I've linked all of the GitHub uh, profiles for the developers on top of this leaderboard, and this can actually be a very good tool to hire people. Like if I want to hire people, I would want to hire Claude Maxers and who burn more tokens. So give this a try. Download your card. You can share it on X. Oh, let's see. Give this a try. Share it on X if you like. Share it with your friends who are Claude Maxi, and have fun. See you around. Good night. Bye.